Hi guys, today we are going to talk about new airdrop opportunity. Here you can learn about the new testnet airdrops, new earning opportunities that you can earn actually free dollars by testing the new websites, new networks so that you get rewarded. One of these projects is called Common project. Okay, this is really backed up project and well funding. Here we are going to talk about its legitimacy, how much legit this project is, who are the backers, how much is the funding, and how we can do the tasks in order to participate in this airdrop. All the links are in below this video in the description. You can click on the links and enter the free airdrops. So what is Common? Common is described as an all-in-one platform for on-chain communities. You can launch tokens, manage forums, run governance, treasury contests, and build on blockchains like Base, Solana, and others. Okay. Common looks like a Twitter. You can tweet, you can like other posts, and also you can raise votings. People can come and vote and they can follow you. Common is backed by recognizable crypto VC firms. So who are the funding? This is really a legit program. Why? Because of the backers, Polychain, Dragonfly, High Framework. Okay, and we are going to talk about how we can participate and do the tasks of this airdrop soon. But first, we should know, is this legit airdrop or not? And that's what we are doing here. And Common appears to have launched Aura point farming season 1 and 2, which is we are in. Users complete tasks both on Common's platform and via external tools like Zilly to earn points, which potentially qualify for them for future airdrop. You can interact, you can create communities, you can I have already created my community. You can come and follow me there and complete the Zilly tasks, participate in bounty style point earning campaigns. So here we talked about what is common, who are the backers, airdrop status, potential, aura point farming, legitimacy is great, and risks. There's no guaranteed reward, but always we should be early in the testnets and the airdrops. Okay, we shouldn't miss any opportunity in the crypto. So about the fundraising, there's 20 million fundraising. Who are the backers? Who are the backers? Look at this. 27 other funds, 27 funders like Hashkey Capital, Polychain Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Dragonfly Capital. So this is really a big opportunity. And about the airdrop info, as you can see, it says 10 million, $10 it costs, but no, it doesn't cost anything. I will tell you how to participate in this airdrop here. So this is the website of this project. This is the dashboard. I'm putting the link in the description. You can enter. First of all, when you enter, just create account. Okay, I have already created my account using the Wallet Connect. After you created your account using the MetaMask, you can sign in next time with the same MetaMask account, and this is easy. Okay, choose an empty wallet, or for example $10 mostly in your wallet, and not your main wallet for the airdrops. So here you can see that I am already logged in. This is my wallet, and here you can set your profile, view your profile. First of all, you need to view your profile, edit. Okay, and here it shows that how much karma I have earned before. 49. This is not a big number because I have already participated in this airdrop about 2 days ago. Okay, and here you can write threads, just like Twitter. Okay, you can talk about anything in the crypto world. For example, I have talked about how to create NFTs. First NFT. Here, if you want to create an NFT, you can use this. Okay, and this is our community here. You can join our community. If you want to find our community and join, okay, it will give you some karma points. Just come to our community. Use this bar here, search, write airdrop hunts. Okay, this is my ID. This is my community's ID here. airdrop hunts. Okay, just use this and you can come to my community here. If you like the posts, if you put comments, share them, subscribe to our community, all of them means that you are an active user of this website. Okay, and this will earn you opportunity and airdrop points. So in this airdrop just looks like this. This looks like a social media. Okay, here you come, interact with others, subscribe them, they subscribe you, and you can vote. Okay, using the real tokens. And yeah, the next thing you can do is you get your referral link and invite others to the common, and it will have a bonus. Also, you can edit your profile, add your email here, use a username and bio. Okay, write a bio for yourself. Also, your social links like Twitter and Discord. Connect your social links using here. Just come to the edit profile, and here you can link your social media like Twitter and Discord. Don't forget to link your social links and Discord. And if you want to create your own community, what would you do? What would you do? Okay, for create community, just come here, plus icon. You can launch a token or create a community. It's easy. Okay, then you click on create a community, then you select the chain for your community. Why? Because there you can hold votings here, and people come and vote and use these networks to vote. Okay, real tokens of your community. For example, if your community grows people and you want to vote for something, they will use the real tokens. So here you choose your wallet and network. Okay, for example, base and community name, select the chain, community URL, and description, that what is this community about, what will you do here. And you can generate image for your community. You can upload it from your own computer or use AI to generate image, then you launch community. I have already a community, so I don't create a new one. This is how you can create a new one using this button here. And if you want your referral link, you can get your referral link here, or you can get your referral link here, post it in your social media. It will have some bonuses. Also, there are some aura targets you can participate in here, just in this area. Okay, click here, see all the quests here. There are 2 quests. One is for Binance Wallet, another for welcome to community. Okay, here you can see I have already completed these. Sign into Common, link in your social, and yeah. This has a bug here. Okay, this couldn't start for me, but I linked a new wallet in sign in Common, so they have completed 2 of them. There will be new quests soon, and yeah, there will be many quests soon, so you can be early. We are early user of this airdrop right now, and there will be some Zilly campaigns too. There was a campaign, but it has finished, and there will be some new campaigns soon. So don't forget to bookmark their page, and if they have new campaign, you can be early user of their campaigns. So guys, as you could see, this is really legit airdrop. You can participate early. You can be an early adapter. Don't forget to see their social media like Discord and Twitter for the latest news, and follow our page and follow our channel, YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell, and also our Telegram channel. I put the updates there in our Telegram channel too.